Today I want to talk about doing specials on panel parts and pieces in CET and how just to make your life so much easier. You can import single items and modify that single item using Commercial Interiors Library or the catalog browser to bring that in to at least visually show what you're looking for, but that doesn't really help you with any automation on the back end. So I'm going to show you how to do it using Customer's Own Material dialog box. For visual, be sure to select a material that you're not using anywhere else, and you'll see why later. You put in a code and a description, and these will show up later, so be sure you're labeling it accurately. You can browse for your texture to get it to look right, and now you can actually still move your panel sizes as you need it as you're developing it. But what if the image from online doesn't match what's auto-generated from the manufacturer extension? Well, you can actually go in and click for Browse G Materials. So you're looking for the .gm files that are provided by your manufacturer, which are hidden deep within your folders. You can use this map specifically for Miller-Knoll, but you can also reach out to the CET help desk for any of your manufacturers to ask them where those files are held, and you can then know what those are, and I would always favorite them and to be able to find them later. Now, what all that automation is to help save you a bunch of headache when it comes to install. What you put into your COM dialog box is now going to show up in your query dialog, on your panel elevations, on your finish legends, and you can also edit your finish legends to make sure that it reads exactly like the other ones so that when you go to print your install plans, it reads appropriately. You can also now use the pick and place tile combos so that you can copy throughout your project. You can export it just like how we've set it up here, and why it's important that you have the finish that you haven't used anywhere else is because now you can now use Control F to go in and search for that finish that you haven't used anywhere else that you used as your link to go in and find those specific lines so that you could go in and swap them out, make special in your worksheet, and then have your spec accurate. But you can actually add some of these things into CET as well by using the query dialog box, clicking on the part, whether it's the tile or surface, and clicking Make Special. And then you can load your CIF file. And then there's also using a freeform pick list, which you can also import the CIF to, especially if there are multiple part numbers associated with one piece, like maybe special brackets as well as a special product. Or sometimes it's just easier to have it in the pick list and be able to copy throughout a plan, so you can use that as well. You can use this on all sorts of specials. Old laminates that you need to list out as an open line laminate, so it's helping your visual, but also it's going to be shown in your spec and in your query and in your catalog. All of that will show your special product that you've applied. You can also use that for discontinued fabrics, especially when you're working on reconfigures. The possibilities are really whatever you need it to do and help with the automation side. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.